Watch, watch, watch. Of the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man. A franchise to choosing one, the 10-star general. You know when me I represent for Gaza in a full effect. You know it go already Gaza nation. When me aim up, load up, crank up, and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Watch. You know a loud explosion, boy. So hear me. Right about now, I see CMR, him start back with him can cherish it, You know what I mean? Because right about now, I hear him dead. I say, it look like teacher out for either hang up him gloves right now. Not saying he must say teacher go start DJing, but he must say it look like teacher want to bust out beer people and know him want take a different genre because him not compete. Him want to stop compete against people. Him not go compete against nobody. Hear me in Gaza nation. Just tell me the truth where God love no man. And tell me who teacher compete with, man. Who teacher compete with. First thing a 2-man teacher compete with. You ever see teacher compete with like life on the stage. You see me? And a ninja man and Movado. You see me? Him take on beef with assassin pan record and him do that against Alliance pan record. You see me? And if you want to put the blind boy in a teacher shoot 2 things pan him. But teacher now I compete with him. Teacher kill him. Close casket kill him. Him can't find no for compete with that. Him dead. And furthermore, the reason why teacher do that, excuse me, it's all because of you, CMR. People like you boots him up and I try to put him against teacher and teacher for showing us him in him league. That's why the man even tell you for stop calling him name too. You forgot? And you still come back with the stupidness. Who teacher compete with? First thing when teacher there road, everybody and their mother know. A boy if you call teacher name forget highlight. Every boy get up and want challenge teacher. Every boy get up and want challenge teacher. Boy keep Richard call teacher name because he want highlight, I donor. Every boy in a dance hall. You forgot? Which man you see? In a dance hall, boy a come out in the press and a ball. Say because of them man them can't eat no food. Eh? How much artists see come out and ball about that? Even after the man and Movado done clash and Movado run and teacher they blaze up the whole place. Even when teacher they are prison, you see people still a come out and a ball. Because them say them want the man stand for stop play because them not get no highlight. I remember I prison the man there, Yo, I want me to tell you with your lollipop thing and your lollipop argument. You are say your thing. In the first place, you are say teacher is an unpredictable man. So how the fuck you want things for somebody who unpredictable? And further, first and foremost, you can't think for nobody, my virgin. You have to think for yourself, man. Or if you think for somebody. You know what I mean? Better you say you feel like, man. Okay, I'm about not think about your meds or your this or your that. You know what I mean? Because it look like a baby they smoke, You know, bun high grade, It look like a baby they smoke, It look like it'll get to your head. Me don't know. A lollipop thing you talk about, a beer fuck you talk about. Teacher never there in a prison when him do the song with Massacre. Every song wherever artist do, him have to put promotion on that. Who the fuck you think he is? Eh? Every song where artists do, you have to put promotion on that. And even if an artist do a song, and him have a remix cross over with an international artist, the international record label have to put promotion on that. Even if the song even hit locally already. So what you tell me about? What you talk about? Stop twist up dancehall, my virgin. 2019, we don't want to hear it. You hear that? We don't want to hear it. Your argument sound contrary. You don't tell people about your meds. You know, burn high grade. You know, burn high grade and read Bible and chant Psalms and them shit there. You know, do none of them thing there. So stop your fuckery. You stop your lollipop thing. You hear that? You know Gaza and laugh with it. What you talk about? Eh? What you talk about? Remember, you know? Say, you know? You talk about promotion. Remember, you know? Lodi, you know, it never need no more promotion than what it did I get already, you know. Because remember, you know, something did go wrong with a player there. And I remember Vybz Kartel never really up to it, you know, till all Vybz Kartel all play the original verse, make people hear, you know. So the confrontation there alone, you know, is a promotion for that song there, you know. You don't even know, you know, because when teacher I raise your ass about it, you know what I mean? And to and from, and you don't know, the Gaza fans them, I lick out on them shit that everybody now want to see the song and see how who do it and see what them everybody are talk about. What you think? That alone is a big promotion for the song. So nobody talk about like them put in a crazy promotion in it. Because the song well done highlight already by being negative thing, because things never right. You know what I mean? And teachers are raised rash about it. So of course everybody and their mother want to see where my raised rash about. You know what I mean? And that alone is a big super highlight for Lodi. You can't come tell me nothing. I want me to you. You know nothing about dancehall? You know, eh? When you start program dancehall? But you're meds. Like you're not a big professional, you know no. You don't know nothing at all. You know what I mean? A gimmicks you talk. We not deal with lollipop thing or the general 10-star one. I know when I represent a full effect. I represent in a, you know what I mean? We are chat about. You say teacher try for bust out the girl them ask. Tell me where MVP are do. And tell me who them I bring to the forefront. Who them busting out. Nobody. So what you talking about? Them a put nobody on road? Eh? Them a put a girl, a boy, whatever. Who them a put on road? Go watch your team, man. Talk about your team, man. Why you continue talking about teacher? Low Gaza youth them for talk about the general, man. And go over your team, man. Go talk, find something about your team were attractive for talk about my general. And a lollipop thing, you don't know the 10-star one I represent in a live and living colors. What? Gaza Nation. I dead them dead. You know what I mean? And when the boss come a road, everything over. You know what I mean? So I don't know what I'm talking about. Like him not say, I get the man, I get the whole package together before him drop a road. Watch. Gaza way. They ain't no other way. Loud explosion for your CMR. Watch. 10-star way. Watch.